Thank you. Hi.
I'm big fan.
Say hi.
Hambeli, Shawalite, Wasabi, Aboradena, Hambeli, Amambi, Disco.
Hi.
Baga, Sinitinge, Shawalidi.
Hey. ደህና ነሽ? የኔ ቆንጆ ማሻአላ።
Baga Nagian. Say Nagian.
አምስት ያገኘ ግን አለ የምር አለ
ዛሬ
አባዲሪ ሳሉ አድዋኤል ባና
Hey guys, so we are going to, no, he's not going, I'm the one going to Harar. So he just actually take me to Harar. Welcome to Harar city, everyone. So right now I am in Harar. Harar is like the city name. So this place called Harar Ber. So Harar Ber means Harar Gate in English. So this place, like when you go down a little bit, people are celebrating Shawal more than other place. Actually, they celebrate Shawal everywhere, but in this place they celebrate more. Yeah, of course, I'm different city, but I feel like I'm different country. Hi.
I'm big fan.
Ara.
والله እውነት
ሳመሰግናለሁ።
ይመቻቸው።
ሰሺ
ፈሬ ብሎግ ህያ አወርም ፋን ቤት
አልችል ትንሽ ግን ያልከው ገብቶኛል።
እንዴት ገሩ
ደጋፊሽ ነኝ፣ ፋንሽ ነኝ። ተቲ ብሎግ ነሽ ወይ?
አዎ
አዎ። የኦሮምኛ ትንሽ አለ ማለት ነው።
ከጋ
Yeah.
I'm big fan.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good
በጣም
day.
አመሰግናለሁ። Thank you.
No problem.
እሺ, thank you. You can say hi to them.
Okay, hi.
እሺ.
Hi guys.
Yeah. Say hi.
Hey guys, subscribe me.
Yeah.
Farre.
Tell them.
Yeah.
Ferry?
Farre.
Lil Ferry.
Yeah.
Okay,
Show me.
tell them the guys his channel is Lil Ferry. Subscribe his channel because it's my fan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Have
Thank
a
you.
good night.
Have a good day. Okay, guys, so I'll keep take you down. Guys, I didn't know that I have fun in Harar. But anyways, the place is very beautiful with the beautiful people. And as you guys see, like, I feel like I'm another country. If I say city, of course I'm another city, but I feel like I'm different country. But the place is beautiful anyway. Yeah. So you know this much people I see when I celebrate Eid in Addis Ababa. So as Eid big deal in Addis Ababa, like Shawal is big deal in. Hi. Salam no? Ndina. Haye. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. በጣም ደስ ይላል። እዚህ ስለመጣሁ ደስ ብሎኛል። Guys, so the little boy, he just asked me like, you love our city? I say, of course I love the city, and it's a beautiful city, and we call it Love City as well. Yeah, look at it. Oh my gosh, I feel so happy. Like, they told me the celebration is like in different place. አመሰግናለሁ። ሰላም በል በኦሮምኛ ትችላለህ። ሰላም በል
baga Sinitinge, Shawalidi.
ሸዋል ኢድ እዚህ የሚከበረው ከኢድ በላይ ሸዋል ነው አይደለ? በጣም ደስ ይላል። እኔ ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ነው ያየሁት የመጣሁት። በጣም ደስ ይላል።
ጥሩ ነው። የሀገራችን
ከአዲስ
አበባ እዛ እንደዚህ የለም።
ለኢድ ብቻ ነው እንደዛ ያለው፣ ለሸዋል የለም።
ሀገራችን ያው ነው። ሰው ሚዩ እንዴት ነው?
ይሄ ቢግ
ሀገራችን ያው እንደዚህ ነው ያበደ ነው።
Okay. Guys, they explained for me like Shawal's big deal in Harar, but when it comes to Addis Ababa, you guys all know like we celebrate Eid. But when it comes to Harar, I didn't know like last time one of my friends, he was telling me about Shawal. He's not even Muslim, guys. Thank you so much. I know you watched this video, so thank you so much for recommending me to go this place. Anyway, I love being in this area. Yes. Hi. guys, everyone's outside celebrating Eid. Shawal Eid. Yeah, I can see photographer and also cameraman. But it's like other country. It's not just city. It's beautiful, like of course it's other city, but I feel like I visit like they say no more. So I've been visiting different city, but when I come to Harar is a little bit unique than other city. Thank you. This place Megala
ስጋ እዚህ ላይ ታስቀምጪና እንደዚህ ወፍ ይበላል።
አረ እንደዚህ እጅ ላይ ተቀምጦ ወፍ ስጋ ይሰጣል። They told me like you just put meat on your hand so the bird can grab from your hand.
ስጋ ማለት እንደዚህ ይሄ በሙሉ ስጋ ቤት ነው።
ስጋ ቤት ናቸው እነዚህ? ይሄ እንዳለ ከዚህ ጀምሮ እሺ።
እዚህ ላይ ወፎች ይበሉታል። እና እዚህ ላይ ይወጣና ስጋው
ይበላሉ። Wow, guys.
TikTok like
okay, guys. So they just explain about the place. They were saying this is all from here to the other side is butchery house. So people come actually to make video, TikTok video. They just put their hand like this and they put meat on the hand so the bird can grab from the hand. Yeah. Eshi. ምን ነበረ? ምን አለ ወደታች?
እንደዚህ ታያለሽ ባንቺ።
እሺ ሰላም ነው።
እንዴት ነሽ? አዲስ አበባ ነው የመጣሽ?
አይደለም ለማየት ነው የመጣሁት። ባሉ
ለምን እናንተ የሰፈርናችሁ ነው?
አይ አውቃቸዋለሁ።
አራተኛ ዘበር ተቀላላ ታባላችሁ አቋለው ነው ስራት አስቆኝ።
እሺ አመሰግናለሁ። Guys, the lady invited us to her house to show us the Hadari traditional things. You see, this is how they welcome guests, guys. It's beautiful. MashaAllah. ምንድን ነው የሚባለው?
ሻዋል መጣሽ?
በጣም ነው የሚያምረው ጋይስ። Look at it, it's so beautiful. Everything is traditional. ይሄ የምግብ መብያ ነው ወይስ ለጌጥ ነው? በጣም ነው የሚያምረው። ሙዚየም የገባው ነው መሰለኝ። ማሻአላ ማሻአላ guys, it's beautiful. I just love it. This is just መጅሊስ አረቢያ መጅሊስ አይደለም? እንዴት ነው አመሰግናለሁ የሚባለው በሀደረኛ? ሹክራን ሹክራን ሹክራን። አመሰግናለሁ። እሺ ደህና ደሩስ። እንዴት ነው የሚባለው? አማን በሂደሩ። እሺ እሺ። ጀጎል ይሄ ሰንቶታ guys, look beautiful. They call it jagol actually. ይሄ ምን ነው? ጦር ነው?
ጦር ነው ሲጣሉ። የድሮ ነው።
ኪታብ ማሻአላ guys. Harar, ይሄ ሀረር በር they put it in small picture. ይሄ ሆስፒታል ነው። ሰው ለምንድን ነው የቆመው? ጁማ መስጊድ ያምራል ማሻአላ። ይሄ ነው እነዚህ guys, it's beautiful. It's called Juma Mosque. Let's breathe a little bit so you may have soft drink. መግቢያ ይሄ ነው በሩ። Okay, we're gonna drink soft drink. እዚህ ጋር ነው። So we're gonna drink Fanta orange. Cheers. Cheers ታውቃላችሁ? Coffee. With Fanta orange. Guys, so I fix my scalp like this, so I look different a little bit. Do I look like Harar people right now? I'm not sure, but traditional one, guys. Guys, so I'm gonna take you down. Yeah, they're still with me, guys. Look at them. እንሄዳለን ወደዛ። እዚህ ትንሽ ጨለማ ነው። ይሄ ዋና ቦታ ነው የሚከበረው? ያቀርባል። Yeah, there are many of them, guys. We're actually coming down, guys. We are pushing people like this. Wait, I don't think I can go down this. ወደ ዳር ይሞቃል ትንሽ። ደህና ነሽ የኔ ቆንጆ? ማሻአላ ይሄ ማማዬ ደህና ነሽ? My scarf is not like them. But I think I put it like them. Yeah, this is from up. So if you sit down, still a lot of people. Salam no? ተሸፈንክ ልበል። አይ ሰላም ነው? እንዴት ነህ? ማነው ስምህ? ኢብራሂም። አማር ኢብራሂም። አባትስ እኔ ከአዲስ አበባ።
በጣም ደስ የሚል ሀገር አዲስ አበባ።
ደስ የሚል ሀገር ነው።
በጣም ያምራል እኮ።
ሄደህ ነበር?
እንዴት አገኘሽው ሀረር?
በጣም ደስ ይላል።
ምን ለየት ያለ ነገር ነው?
ኧረ ሁሉም ነገር።
እስኪ ኢንተርቪው እናድርግሽ።
እሺ።
እኛ የሀረሪ ጋዜጠኛ ነው። ኢንተርቪው እናድርግሽ እስኪ። ሀረር ላይ መጥተሽ አዲስ ነገር ያየሽው ምን አለ?
እንዴ ያላየሁትን ብትጠይቀኝ ይሻላል። ሁሉም አዲስ ነው።
አምበይሌ አማምቤ ዲሁ ኪንጌ
Welcome to Harar, guys.
Welcome to Harar.
Guys, so this hospital, like, this is the first hospital from Ethiopia, like, all over. It's not just from Harar. That's amazing. So it's called Jagol Hospital.
እንኳን መጣችሁ ወደ ሀረር።
Hambele? Ani naslamidi hadarenya bay. Hambele? Hambele amaje jiju. Amale jiju. Amambe? Jirtu. Guys, at least I try. Amambe? Jishu. Guys, it's a little bit hard, but at least I try. And there is beautiful lady celebrating Shawal. Yeah. Hi. This is Harar Church, guys. So everyone is celebrating Shawal. So in Harar, there is no problem. Like people are celebrating with peace and love. And so guys, I'm not sure, but people said when they come in here, like they dress up well, the lady and the man, because some of them they throw lemon. So this is the way how they find wife and husband. Guys, you can correct me in the comment section, but they say it's like it's one of it, like the lady dressing up and the man dressing. And I'm still getting a gun. Allah. Yemral. Sure. Wallah sure. ስለዚህ
ወደ ውስጥ ራስዋል
የምርሽ ነው
ነው ወላሂ ለቀለም
ስለዚህ በቃ ሰውነትም ዘንጦ ነው መውጣት ያለበት
ያላትን የሌላትን
አባዲሪ ሰሉክ ወኢልበና ዘጠላሎ ነቢ አላሁ ሰቂና ያ ዳኢሞ ቢሙልኪ شانسي بدني ديامنا أبدي رسالو حيات وإن بنا
هي جالسة
يبدأ كسبنا يبدأ كسبنا هذه حركة يتركا أميت حركة كسبنا يديشما يسيدادك يديشما يسيدادك
تركموا من دنا تركموا من دنا
ولا سايدي
بادرنيا
بادرنيا يالو دمان مورده كسبنا دمان مورده تنيا تنيا أدلاغي تنيا أدلاغي محمد السما وهو سالي الغنالي عدل مدولي الغنالي عدل مدولي جبر سنا عدل سنا عدل مدولي عدل مدولي عدل مدولي عدل مدولي
هاي Thank you so much. You guys have a good night.
Reina Mamanso, Shawal Idem, Reina Borodina Musada, Na Angela Bosco, Eirazi Bahulu, Kot Garagum Clavasal, Balachu Sawa, Amutasal Clavasal, Angela Bosco, Testizata, Angela Bosco Testizata, Bilgat Mutadija, Gilbert Ashama,
እሺ ቴንክ ዩ
ያለችሽ እንደዚህ የደስታ ጊዜ ነው ሲገለበጥ ግን ባዘን ይለበሳል ይልብስ ጠይራዝ ይባላል
ጠይራዝ she can wear it like two way guys so
Hambeli Shawalide Musabi Aboradena Hambeli Amambi Disco
thank you so much
Hambeli Amambi Disco
thank you
Hambeli Amambi
መሐመድ
ነበር 147 አመቱ ነው ከተሰራ በዛን ጊዜ ቱርኮች ሐረር ከተማ ነው ለመጀመሪያ ነው የሚደረግ ማለት ነው
እዚህ ነው መጀመሪያ የመጡት
መጀመሪያ አይናቸው ተከፈተ መጀመሪያ እዚህ ነው ሐረር
በጣም ነው የሚያምረው እነሱ ናቸው ይሄን ቢልድ ያደረጉት
147 አመቱ ነው ከተሰራ ማለት
147 አመት
ከተደረሰ ግን ወደ 10 አመት ሆኗል ማለት ነው
As you guys see, this is Turk flag, and the other one is Ethiopian flag, and this is beautiful. Look at it. Actually, people are taking picture. Harari traditional, no? It's Harari traditional.
Yeah, Hararian traditional.
Hararian traditional.
Where are you from, by the way?
Addis.
You work in something...
I'm a YouTuber, like vlogger.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can come tomorrow, we can talk about whatever you need, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm ready to do it. No problem.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Okay, have a good night.
You too.
Okay.
Take care.
ያ ምንድን ነው የሚጎበኝ ነው ሙዚየም ያምራል በጣም ያምራል በጣም እሺ
دي مسالي والله هي عدقار انت
عدقار انت عدقار اني عدقار انت ማለት እንደዚህ ቀርብኝ እስሽ عدقار
በቃ የበዓል እቃዎች አሉ
የበዓል እቃዎች አሉ
የበዓል ቤት عدقار
ስለዚህ እንደ ሙዚየም ነው ማለት ነው this is museum. It show like traditional clothes, traditional things from Hadari, and also they show like how they live, like how the house look like inside. So guys, from here you can see the old Harar at night, guys. So from the museum. Okay guys, this is all about Shawal in Harar. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And let me know in the comment section what you thought, if you've been in Harar before and if you celebrate Shawal. So let me know in the comment section. This is my first time coming to Harar and celebrate Shawal. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on next one. Bye. You guys can say bye too. Bye. And ciao, ciao.